Hello everyone. Today I will explain about how we can able to create the wall skirting. So this is a profile I created. Okay. So this is my sample wall I created. So now I will explain to you how I create this one. Okay. So first of all, you can go to choose in the family. So file, new family. Here you can find out the metric profile. So this is a metric profile. Okay. So when you open this one, so it's loading now. See, this is the metric profile. So here you can able to find out which type of profile you needed, size and everything you can make it here. So you can draw the profile as per your design. Okay. So I choose my profile. So this is my profile I created already. Okay. So here you can find out my height and width, everything I did here. So after that, when I draw this one, I have to save first. Okay, you have to save the file first, family. Okay, so after that, you can go to upload into the project. Upload into the project. Okay, done. Now I can go back to my level 1 plan. Okay, this is my previous wall. Now I can go to choose another wall. I can create the duplicate. Okay, internal wall. So I can create the internal wall first. Internal wall, right? Okay. So here I can go to choose uh, my structure, masonry, or I can go for okay, masonry. I can choose it. Again, I have to add upload here also. I can go for insert. I have to go down. Okay. So this one I will make it a finish one. This one also I can make it finish too. And this structure, uh, um, put it in metal. Okay. Start.